Hi guys, so we are back again at Helpston level crossing in Cambridgeshire with Joe and Lincolnshire Railways. There we go, now the time now is 9:29 on Sunday the 26th of February 2017, and this is for your 0933 or 0932 1 Alpha 15 Virgin train service from Leeds to London King's Cross, and your 934 1 Sierra 08 Virgin train service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Let me brighten the screen up a bit. There's Lucas just over there. Stood next to the fence. We came in my car again, just me and Lucas. My car's just there. And today we're filming at Maxey, Lolland, Taddington, Greatford, and a few crossings on the Birmingham Stansted line, which is towards Oakham, which is I'm avoiding the Bainton crossings. I'm going to the Ketton, Lufanham, the ones after Oakham, like Ashwell. There's other ones as well. We should be all right because there's only 2 an hour, but there might be a few freights in between. I don't know. There's a freight train that was supposed to be running through here at about 25 or something, but that was a 300 and something minutes early. Unbelievably, these barriers are actually Dagenham, and they were made on the 9th of July of August 2007. Are you filming it? Here it is. We've got 82, 217, 91 110 Battle of Britain, the train that broke down on me on the way to York, and up they go. We're going to be doing the Brayford, so I better hurry up over the crossing.